Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this video has been long overdue. I am so sorry, but it is gonna be a good one. So today I will be using Pixi's products. So I'll be cleaning off all of this using just Pixi. This is their new collection, which is the Pixi Hydrating Milk Collection. So if you guys want to see how this turns out, then keep on watching. Got milk? I sure do. So this is their new collection, guys. Let me just put it here for you. Yes, so this is their new collection. As you can see, it all comes in this really cute milk carton. It's got the whole milk thing going on. It's got number 1 to remove makeup, number 2 to cleanse, 3 peel, tone, treat, and moisturize. I have found the milkman. So I'm gonna do this right now. Let's start getting all of this beautiness off. So let's see, first one. This is the peel off one. Let's see, how do you open this? So it says remove on here. Remove this carton. I really want to keep the packaging. Like every time Pixi sends me something, the packages are so darn cute. So let me just remove this. So hard to, okay. Woohoo! This is their makeup remover. So let's see, how do you do this? So hydrating milky makeup remover. It removes waterproof and long last wearing makeup. Use first time by double cleansing routine. Shake well to dispense and press on cotton. I got my cotton swabs ready. It looks like I need a bigger one, not this small one. Sorry if you hear some noise in the background. That's literally my laundry being done. It's a pump, just like their what is it that they have? The brightening one. They had a makeup remover one just like this. So squish. Oh yes. Oh, it's coming out, all the milk. That sounded wrong. All right, so let's put it on the eye and swivel away. Oh yes. Ah, I need a lot more cotton for this. Oh wow, same cotton, but. And that was red lipstick. I'm using the other side of the cotton. Oh wow, this is actually really freaking good. Next cotton. This is for my days when I don't want to just wash my face. I'm just gonna use this. Joking, I always wash my face. But I can always come to this to remove any excess of makeup that's like waterproof and stuff. That will come off easily, especially when it's like glue around your lashes when you're doing when you take off your eyelashes, you know, those fake lashes. There's always that glue that sticks behind, so I will use that to get rid of it. Oh, I'm going after cotton swabs after cotton swabs, seriously, because I did not get a big swab. Should have, but Primark's all shut and they don't do online, which Primark should have done a long time ago. Online, because now I can't buy a big swab from Primark, cotton swab, because they have the best ones, like for big pads. God, can you imagine when all this is open and this quarantine is done and everything reopens? Everywhere is gonna go crazy. I kid you not, Primark will probably be like the most craziest. Shit. Clubs will be making so much money. Alcohol will be off the roof. So much better. So now this is all clean. So number 1 is done. Number 2, we have hydrating milk cleanser. You can use this AM and PM daily. Apply a coin size amount and massage it onto your skin. Remove with moist face cloth or rinse off water. Okay, let's do that. Woohoo! This is what it looks like. They said use coin size. Do I have to measure it by coin? What kind of coin? A penny coin or a pound coin? What 2-pound coin? I don't know. Anyways, I'll just flunk it. Just do it. Ugh. This is a coin size for me. So I'm going for a pound, I guess. Let's push that around. Oh, it's very sticky, guys. Oh my god, it smells so good. I guess you can use this after washing, like cleaning your face with the makeup. Let me go wet this a little bit because I reckon you need to wet this. I didn't read the instructions properly. Definitely wet it. So you got this foamy texture going on. Ah! I need to wash my face. I'll be right back. Try not to get that in your eye as possible because I guarantee it will burn. First one to know. Anyways, next one is number 3. This is the peel. This micro peeling cream exfoliates your skin using natural celluloses, helping to minimize pores and beautifying conditioning the skin. Enriched with comforting coconut and pore filling willow black extract. Use daily as needed. Apply in thin layers onto skin. Avoid eye area. Clearly, what's going on with my camera? Not focused? Okay, I'm focused. Leave onto 2 to 3 minutes, then gently massage the skin and rinse off. Oh, there'll be a lot of rinsing in this. Alright, let's see what's in the product. A box in a box. Perfect. Gentle exfoliator. Small amount onto skin. Ooh, it's come out like a liquid. Okay, so be careful. Don't squeeze too much. Apply onto skin. You know what this reminds me of? You know, Huda just released one of their new skincare, and she brought out this cream, not cream, like this sort of texture, and you put it onto your skin. Again, you have to wait for a bit, 2-3 minutes, and then you gotta massage it to see, and then all the follicles, like your dead skin, will come off. That's basically what it is. It kind of feels like that. So, set to leave it on 2 or 3 minutes. Do I have a minute to spare? Yes, I'm gonna look at my phone. Alright, I feel like the minute's gone. Let's scrub you away. Oh my god, do you see this? That is basically what I'm talking about. It scrubs all your dead skin away. Wow. Get all that dead skin off. Clean my face like there is no tomorrow. Have you guys been like in the hype of TikTok? I bet everyone is, since it's like, you know, hibernation season, or quarantine as they say. I call it hibernating. So I got into the hype of TikTok. I wasn't a big fan before, but now I'm going bonkers on it. So I'll leave my TikTok here for you guys if you want to follow, or down below. Okay, let us wash this off. I like it how I film when the dryer is going bonkers and is making a lot of noise. Ooh, that has left my skin nice and smooth. Next one, number 4. It is to tone, guys. I'm gonna use the milkiness to tone. And it literally tells you what it is all about. Balancing and what? Comfort. Okay, let's tone, baby. So this is the toner, guys. It comes in big forms and small ones. So Pixi is known for their amazing toners, by the way. Not long ago, they actually gifted me this. Look at this bad boy. It matches the background. And it also has my name on it, guys. It says, oh yeah, there you go. It says, ta-da! And this is their #1 in the UK Glow Tonic. Absolutely love it. So that's that. Toners for life. Use AM and PM daily. Oat extract to soothe, java milk to nourish, and green tea to protect. That's what it says here. Okay, this one is to hydrate and relax the skin, providing a balanced comfort complex for all skin types. Okay. I was told every time I film, it's like I'm yelling at the camera. I'm not. I just have a loud voice. I can't help it. Doop, doop, doop. Put it in there and just swipe it. Swipe it. Swipe it. Make it normal, baby. Thank you, toner. You have done your purpose. Mwah. Number 5. So it says Treat Milky Serum. You can use an AM and PM daily. Massage 2 to 3 drops onto cleansed and toned skin. Got that? Not cleansed and, peeled. Cleansed and toned skin. Got it. So it says skin-loving ingredients, jojoba oil to moisturize, aloe vera to smooth, vitamin C and E to nourish and heal, because you did all that peeling. Come to mama! A box in a box again. There we go. They come in the standard droppers. This is all in there for you guys to see. Can you see this? Yes, yes. Okay, opening the box. Comes with this, naturally. Open this. Take this off. And put this here. Ooh! It's milky! Okay. So it says 1 or 2 drops. So, 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it smells so nice. I love this already, this milky one. Oh, let me just tell you this, guys. The smell is so divine. Like, seriously, I love the smell. So we let that sit for a little while before we go to number 6. Pardon me. Number 6, which is moisturizing. So it says here, use AM and PM daily, smoothens onto face, hands, and body. Nourish with coconut, shea butter to moisturize, and cocoa seed extract to protect. Let's cut you open and see what you look inside this milk carton. Ooh, it's a big boy. Oh, there you go. Face and body lotion. So the serum's already set in. I am now gonna put this. How many drops it says here? Yeah, it's a lotion, so you just do what you want. Such a YouTuber. And then put this. Oh, this smells nice, guys. Okay, maybe I put a little too much. Maybe it's a little bit like a coin size would help. This feels like soap. My god, like the smell reminds me of like Dove soap. Ooh, it's so nice. Okay, after using all of that product, I really like the peeling one the most because I know it's done its job by peeling, and with that peel off made my skin, I could feel like my skin has taken it in because that really helped. So I'll be using that a lot. Alright guys, so that's basically it. This is my first try with the Milk collection. I like it, I must say. I actually do like this. And actually I love all of Pixi's stuff. Like I loved their C collection, you know, the vitamin C one. I loved that one. What else did they have? They had the very first one as well. Oh, I just love it. Bring it on, Pixi. Just keep bringing it. I love it. I love it when you spoil me. But this one, I will say again, the peel one is my favorite, and they all smell so pretty good. Like, I think it's because of the coconut and everything that's in there. This is also 100% vegan. It comes in a cute little carton, like got milk carton. So yeah, I actually love this. Love it a lot. So I just want to say thank you so much, Pixi, for sending this over, and I can't wait. I literally love it so much. I cannot wait to just put it all on my face. So yes, there you go, guys. My skin is feeling nice, nourished, and smooth. Can you just please focus? Focus. There you go. I can't stop touching my face. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go off now. I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in, and for those, what is this? And for those who are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. If you do like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you want to see more of me, go on down below, click the subscribe button, and you'll see me in my channel. And if you want to be notified to when I come on, then click the bell button, and they will let you know when I post the next video. And for my OGs out there, thank you so much for tuning in. You are literally my world. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are all safe and doing well. This goes for all of you guys. And, you know, make good choices, have fun, live your life, and so on. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.